Hey everyone, it's Monique from Raw Blend. It is Easter time, so I wanted to make a really easy chocolate recipe for you that you can make at home. This is good for any stage, maybe not the professionals, you may not like this. So this is my raspberry chocolates. Today I'm using the Vitamix E310. This is Vitamix's entry-level blender, but it is a wonderful blender. So if you've seen my recipes before, I like to keep it pretty simple. So I've just got 4 ingredients here. I've got 1/4 cup of coconut oil. So I'm gonna get some liquid down the bottom there. And then it's equal parts raw cacao, so 1/4 cup of that as well. Really good for us. I've got 1/8 cup of golden syrup. You can use any syrup you like. Just gonna sweeten it up. This is a small batch recipe, so feel free to double, triple, depending on your heart's desire. I'm gonna lock my lid into place. So I'm just needing our ingredients to mix together. So I'm just gonna start slow and work my way up. So I had this ravioli mold at home. I thought that's a good looking little mold for chocolate. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour a little bit in, and then we're gonna add some fresh raspberry. Just want some tiny little pieces of fresh raspberry. Amazing, they're all done. They're as neat as I could get them. I'm gonna store these in the freezer for about an hour to help us set, and then transfer them into the fridge. They'll be done in about 2 or 3 hours, so beautiful little snack for Easter. I have got a finished product here for you. These are my beautiful raspberry chocolates. This is just a really easy recipe. You can make this Easter or anytime really. I'm gonna give one a try. It's so beautiful. It's got a dark choc bitterness, but with the sweetness coming through of that raspberry and the syrup. It's just the perfect balance of flavors. I hope you try it and I hope you love it. Happy blending.